where the air filter is. Ta-da! There should be 2 clips in my case. There's 1 screw and 1 clips. Okay. Here's the aforementioned clips, and here's how somebody has fixed this. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Wow. Dirty and full of, I don't know, oil or water. The old one. The new one. Let's clean this. This is clean now. Now the manual says to smear the element of the filter with the grease, fit it, remove it, and see whether we have a tight connection. So I assume it's all about this lip here. Not too much. You can feel it, it's tight. But let's see. The grease is gone from the lip. Looks good to me. Clean and ready to be assembled. This cannot be open here. This should take the air only from this little valve. So for now,